Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn a really easy way how you can add a task in Salesforce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on task here, and then you will find this arrow here. You want to click on it and just click here on new task. So first you're going to assign it's to myself. If you got many people, you can also assign it to them. Relate to, let's go with my account, the Java Food Stores. Subject, and now you have option to have a call, send letter, or send quote. Let's go with the call. Comment, you got this. Due date, let's say 29th of February, and remade set. Okay, additional information, not started or in progress, and which is like priority. Also you choose what kind of priority it is. Click save. Okay, and let's wait. So right now we can see it here. Due date 29. You can see the creation here. And let's just go with all tasks. So this is the call we were looking for. You got this. Really simple, really easy. If you want, you can change the status of it. You can change the date, you can edit comments, or you can change the priority also, and you can mark it as complete. So that's kind of it. And then you got it. And if I go recently complete tasks, I can see it right here. So this is how you add a task in Salesforce. It's honestly really easy. And that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day. And see ya guys. Goodbye.